Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rafe West. In this video, I wanted to talk about, it's going to probably be a short video. I wanted to talk about some tips I've learned about investing. Um, you know, First of all, I find that, like, if you try to get your partner into investing, you know, like, men are more logical and women are more emotional, right? Which is why I think if you watch like on CNBC and in the financial field, I think there's more men than women. And it's because you have to be a little logical when it comes to investing. You know, you got to try to control your emotions or keep them out of the way. All right. Um, Also, another thing I've been learning and a mistake that I've been guilty of myself, besides my 401k, because that's automatic, is always adding new money to your investments. Always find a way to add new money so that way your account can grow more. A lot of times we make a mistake. Oh yeah, invest in this, right? Invest in like Bitcoin or something. And you only do it once, either because you know, A, you're not really in the game, or B, the emotions again, you're afraid. So always add new money. It's a mistake sometimes when someone says, "Yeah, I'm going to do this." And when it comes to assets and stuff, you always have to try to add new money all the time. And I think it goes into our evolution from like 500 years ago. We're not meant to do things like that, save or be consistent in investing. We're not meant to be. So if you could put it on automatic, it would be even better because our brain like doesn't work like that to do those things. Um, so yeah, so adding new money is a very big key, kind of like we do in our 401ks. But like I said, that's automatic. Not to mention we're trusting someone else, managers being charged fees, hidden fees to control our money, to do stuff with our money. Um, you know, I've even pondered with the idea of cutting my 401k and doing it myself. Um, a 401k is good for like if you're bad with money or if you're tempted to like touch it, spend it, which I've been guilty of myself, but now I'm aware of it. So, on a 401k, there's that penalty until you're 59 and a half, so you don't do it. Otherwise, who knows? Mine may be zero, or much less. Um, but I've pondered taking it into my own hands because it's way too risky, I think, leaving it out there. And risky, I mean, not that it may end up with zero, although, um, you know, that's a remote possibility, but it could end up much less when it comes time for you to call it quits. But um, if you do it on your own, your chances may be better of having even more of a nest egg. You know, it may be better. So I pondered taking it on my own. I want to know what you guys out there think. I always say the best scenario sometimes would be if I were to change gigs, I would seriously consider cashing it out or some of it. I know there'll be penalties and I'll get taxed and everything, but to be able to do stuff on my own, I think I may be better off. Oh, and here's the other thing that I wanted to say about investing. Investing is I don't know how to do the bleep thing here. A bleep sometimes, it's rough because there's no guarantee that you're gonna lose, that you're gonna make money all the time. Sometimes you're gonna lose. Um, and a lot of people are not good with any kind of loss, even though they'll go and they'll buy that $400 pair of Nikes. right? Or eat all that fast food a few times a week. So, but you got to be, I think in the gambling world, they call it a good square. You got to be okay with loss. Take it, not let it drive you crazy emotionally, and keep at it. But that's how you know if you're in the game and if it's for you. Some people, it's not for them. Um, the first loss, they run and say, "Oh, I'll never do that again." Right? It's like getting divorced and saying, "Oh, I'll never get married again." It's not really a winning mentality. Um, so the first sign of loss and not adding new money, and it takes balls. It takes balls to say something like, even I'm going to cut off my 401 and go at it on my own. Setting that up and everything. It's crossed my mind to start doing that because heck, I've done that, you know, most of my life with the 401, and the account is really not where it should be. And I know the number. I ran my numbers as like how much I'm going to need, even though I'm nowhere near calling it quits. I'm going to need so much more that I'm wondering if embarking on it by myself would be better. I'd have a better shot. But anyway, those are just my thoughts on investing. I'm still trying to learn all the time. Another thing that makes it tough, not for investing per se, but for trading, which by the way, I don't think is sustainable. I like the idea of making like a few trades along the way, but mainly stick with value investing. I don't think it's sustainable to just only trade, day trade or swing trade, especially day trade, and be profitable in a sustainable way. Um, but I think you need to have a few trades along the way and value investing. You know, that is the strategy, not just one, because one, you'll be 99 before you have anything. So let me know what you guys' thoughts are out there on going at it, going on it on your own. Um, and the way I would do it is I would set it up that same amount I'm putting into my 401 just into my own, and then do it myself, however it may be, and just living with the consequences. So I thought of that. Um, yeah. So let me know, but I just wanted to. So the takeaways are always add new capital, um, be good with losses, and should you take it into your own hands, because retirement is risky anyway. I talk a lot about retirement lately, but I'm nowhere near it, fortunately or unfortunately. Um, and it's just, I wonder if it's better taking your life into your own hands, because we've been like brainwashed. I'm about to watch this new series also. Looks good. I heard it's good. It's called Money Revealed. It's like a docu series, 9 parts. I think it's on YouTube, at least the first one and a few of the others. But if not, you go to the website and I think you give your email. I don't know if they're upselling something. I wouldn't be surprised if they are, but it's supposed to be a very good docu series called Money Revealed. I'm gonna watch that um, with an open mind. It's got a bunch of financial experts and just talks in general about like the truth of money. So anyway, those are my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think on taking life into your own hands financially, and the strategy of a few trades along the way and value investing combo. If some of you guys think day trading is sustainable, please enlighten me. Um, Otherwise, those are my tidbits on that. Okay, guys? So I will talk with you guys another time. I hope everybody is well. Thank you for commenting here. A lot of valuable comments I get here. So far, they've been all valuable. I think I had one uh, hate comment so far, but like I said, that next level I'm welcoming. Laugh at me, give me some hate comments because that means I'm moving up to the next level. So anyway, all right, you guys, take care. This is Rafi West. Be well.